Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. From here, just tap on hide apps, then tap on get started, then tap on settings. Now just create your privacy password, then select use. Now just enter your privacy password one more time to confirm your password. Now just link your privacy password to an account or to a recovery email or to a question in case if you forget your privacy password. For now, I will select recovery email. Now in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your recovery email, then tap on confirm. Then tap on get started. Now from here, just select how you want to access your hidden apps. You can access your hidden apps through an icon on your home screen, or you can access your hidden apps through the dial pad. For now, I will select the dial pad, then tap on settings. Now just set an access code for your hidden apps, and the code must start and end with the hashtag, and it must include at least one digit in between the hashtags. For example, I will start with a hashtag. Now just set your access code number, then end the code with the hashtag, and select done. Tap on done, then tap on add apps. Now from this list, just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you enable the toggle for the apps will be hidden from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now to access the hidden apps, just open the dialer app. Now just enter your code. And as you can see, this is how you can access the hidden apps on your smartphone. Now, if your Oppo phone does not have the hide app feature in the settings of your smartphone, and if you want to hide apps on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on open. From here, select agree and continue. Then tap on grant. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. Now just tap on got it. Now from here, just create a 4-digit PIN. After you create your 4-digit PIN, then tap on the equal to button to save. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. Now just tap on skip. Then select skip. Now just tap on this icon to hide your apps. Now from this list, just select the apps which you want to hide. Now for example, I will select these apps. Now after you select the apps which you want to hide, then tap on next. Tap on enter. Now from here, just select calculator. And once you do that, the selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now to get access of the apps which you have hidden, just open the calculator app on your smartphone, then enter your PIN. After you enter the PIN, then tap on the equal to button. And as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.